A very good afternoon, friends. Welcome to part 2 of the chapter 5. Today I came in the morning from Phuket by night bus, and from Mochit I took a taxi to my hotel. And since I did not get the room because the check-in is late around 2 o'clock, so I decided to travel to Sampheng market in Chinatown area in a bike, and then I came back by MRT to SUKHUMVIT MRT station. And right now I'm going to show you a walking tour from SUKHUMVIT MRT to Soi 11 of SUKHUMVIT, and particular my hotel La Fenix. And I'm going to give you a room tour of my hotel, which is a budget hotel. So stay tuned, watch the entire video. This will give you an idea about the SUKHUMVIT area, what you can expect, and this area is preferred by many Indians. So I would request you to watch this video. You'll get a good idea about the area. So thanks for joining in. Keep watching my video till the end. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. You're going to get all the updates for the future videos. And I would request you, if you like this video, press the like button and share this video with at least 3 to 5 friends of yours. Thanks for joining in. Thank you. Enjoy my video. Well, right now I'm crossing my favorite mall in Bangkok. It's Terminal 21. Terminal 21 mall is located in the heart of SUKHUMVIT. I love to explore this mall, particularly the food court. It's really value for money. I usually start my day from here with a brunch. So if you're staying around SUKHUMVIT area, you must visit Terminal 21. This is a very good mall to explore.
No, nothing's impossible. I feel unstoppable. You're the light of my life. I'm all in this time. I know that you are glorious, glorious. I know that you are glorious. I'm all in this time, all in this time.
Right now I'm crossing one of my favorite store, the Robinsons store and the McDonald's. I usually love to explore Robinsons store. They often have very good discount. If you're in this area, you can always come and check this out.
enough for all of us to eat. In this city, there'll be no broken hearts. In this city, everybody will take part. In this city, no dreams are unfulfilled. In this city, no one's ever hurt or killed. There's only one problem with this whole deal. The people in charge are asleep at the wheel. And this city, it ain't real. Maybe it's a place built from within. No matter our religion or color of skin. Maybe it could be one day if we could put our differences away. Wouldn't that be a great place to start? In this city, there'll be no broken hearts. Oh, in this city, everybody will take part. Oh, in this city,
Friends, we have reached Soi 11, Sukhumvit. Now we can to explore the entire stretch of the road. The Soi 11 starts with a 7-Eleven store, which is quite handy. You have two more stores at the end of this road. So be there with me, watch the entire walk. So you'll get a good idea about Soi 11 if you're planning to come to Bangkok and stay in Sukhumvit area. This is a good area to stay. A lot of Indians prefer this. You've got a lot of good hotels, mid-range as well as budget hotels are here. So you can check this out.
oh, in this city, there'll be no broken hearts. Oh, in this city, everybody will take part. Oh, in this city, no dreams are unfulfilled. Oh, in this city, no one's ever hurt or killed. There's only one problem with this whole deal. People, we are all asleep at the wheel. In this city, it could be real. Oh, in this city, it could be real. Oh, yeah. In this city, it could be real.
We saw it little by little. What about common sense? And now we're stuck in the middle, so we climb the fence. It's like the world turned its back on us, and now we can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers we were diving the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. You set the fire and tone to your promised land. You got a whole religion in the palm of your hand. It's like the world turned its back on us, and now we can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to put to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well.
Friends, right now I'm crossing the Grand President Hotel where I stayed with my family a couple of months back during my last visit. This hotel is getting renovated. If you're planning to visit Bangkok and if you want to stay in Sukhumvit area, this is a good area to stay. You have a lot of options for solo travelers, for families and couples. You have varieties of food available. If you want to party, it is open, the pubs till 4 a.m. And if you prefer to stay in a quieter place, then you can choose some other Soi. You can even choose Soi 13. So stay tuned, watch my video till the end. I close my video with the room tour of my budget hotel. Wait for that, and do press the like button and share my video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep watching my videos. Bye bye.
Hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well.